السلام عليكم البنات، ان شاء الله تكونوا كامل بخير. اليوم مطبخ حرة الحراير راح يقدم لكم كسكس جزائري بالمرق الاحمر تقليدي يعني تاع كل يوم. وعلى بالي كامل ربي يبارك حراير مشتركاتي كامل حراير يعرفوا يديروه، لكن انا درته اليوم على جال واحدة مشتركة اجنبية عندي سخفت عليه وحبت تديره وسياته قدها مرة وما صلحلهاش. هي قالت لي ديريهولي وهذا هو التعليق نتاعها، وراح نديرهولها يعني بأبسط طريقة، مش غير لهذه الأجنبية فقط، يعني كان عندي مصريات ممكن يستفيدوا منه، والكل من مر بالقناة راح يستفيد إن شاء الله. وقبل ما نبدأ ما تنسوش ديروا لايك للفيديو والاشتراك في القناة اللي ما هيش مشتركة، واللي جديد على القناة وتشوفها أول مرة مرحبا بك. Hello everyone, hope that you are fine. Today the kitchen of حرة الحراير share with you the Algerian couscous. Very delicious plate and very easy. Stay with me to see how to prepare it. We have all these ingredients, the meat, any type of meat you have, 2 tablespoons of minced onions and 1 teaspoon of mashed garlic. 2 tablespoons of chopped tomatoes. The vegetables, we have 1 or 2 potatoes and the same of green pumpkin. Pepper to taste and 1 tablespoon of canned tomatoes. At last, the vegetable oil. After we will talk about the spices. Here we have a little of chickpeas. I soaked it in water for the whole night. You see that it is soft. I cooked it in water boils. Then I floured it with black pepper and salt and let it boil until cooking. You can also use the canned chickpeas. Before starting, there is an optional little step, but it makes couscous even more delicious and flavorful. It is a pinch of salt and black pepper. Also, it works to get rid of the hateful taste. So, we let it like that for a half of hour, or until the fluids inside it come out. We leave it aside and let's move on to something else. In the cooker, I put the meat, tomatoes, onions and garlic, canned tomatoes, and the oil. I use 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We come to spices. The spices, we have quarter of spoon of black pepper, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of dried and ground red pepper, 1 teaspoon of this mixture. It named ras الحانوت, special spices in Algeria, but you can do without it. For you, I will leave the ingredients for the mixture in the description box. 1 teaspoon of ground of coriander seeds. At the last, we have 1 teaspoon of dried and ground ginger. We put all of that in the cooker and mix it well. We put the cooker on a little fire for 7 or 10 minutes, with stirring the mixture every few minutes to avoid burning. After that, we add enough water to cook the meat. And let it continue cooking. On the other side, we bring the couscous. There is two types of couscous. This and this one. It's more thinner than the other. You can see the difference after steaming. I used the first one. I put it in a pot like that, and I add too little water. And let it for a few minutes. I intentionally not delete any clip for you can understand the method well. I return to it. It doesn't take any time. We must mix it like that. And we put it in the we call it the kسكس. Then we put it on the cooker and never covered it. When you see the stream penetrated couscous, you can move it and put it in the pots. Before it cools down, you must pour the water gradually. And the water, it must be not hot, not cold. We add salt, of course. And don't pour a lot of water until the couscous beads absorb water. Then let it cool. Then add some vegetable oil. Then we repeat the same step. I will let you with the video. Finally, you can add some butter. That's all, it's ready. And here the both types of couscous are steam cooked. This is the first that we see together. And this, the second one. I cooked it to see the difference between them. In my mind, the first better than the other because you will not tire with it. And the second, it look like the past. Now the pumpkin is ready for cooking. You see, it spill out the fluids. After washing, I added it and the potatoes in the cooker. And when they cook, the broth is ready. And we will see it in final form. And if you need more water, add it. And this is the final form. Hope that you like it. For any question or request, let your comment and I will answer you. My Facebook is at your disposal too. You can find it in the description box. Yes, it looks difficult, but realistically it's very easy and healthy and very delicious. I hope that you try it in at home and tell me in the comment. Now I will let you with the pictures. At the end of the video, don't forget likes and subscribers. Thank you for watching. Bye.